Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to learn Chapter 3, Developing an Effective Business Plan. Under Chapter 3, we will go through on business plan concept, importance of a business plan, characteristic of a good business plan format. Under business plan format, we will look business overview, human resource plan, sales and marketing plan, operation plan, and financial plan. First thing first, what is business plan? Apa itu rancangan perniagaan? It is a written document prepared by the entrepreneur that describe all the relevant internal and external element and strategy for starting a new venture. So business plan is one of the management tools used to achieve our business objective. It is also referred to the venture plan, entrepreneur plan, working paper, project paper, or prospectus. So who needs individual, who needs business plan are entrepreneur, shareholders, banker, investor, employees, customer, and supplier. Under business plan, we will define our business goal, we will determine the objective to reach our business goal, and also assess resources and decision and create contingency plan for managing changes. For example, contingency plan, let's say you will face with high demand, so what happened to your supplier, what happened to your supplies of your raw material, so we need to have our contingency plan as a backup to be sure we will able to cater all the demand from the customer. And also we will look at the rationally assess operational feasibility and financial viability. What's the importance of a business plan class? Okay, first is the opportunity for success. Why? Under business plan, we will outline all the strategies for our business venture. Under business plan also important for us to set the business vision, align with our objective, our goal in order to achieve our business mission, and then to determine the right way of managing a business, determine the company main competitors. Under business plan, we will identify who's going to be our competitors. This is under SWOT analysis. And then determine the company performance for 1 year, for 3 years, for 5 years, and determine the barrier to the venture and increase the stakeholder confidence. What is a good business plan? What's the characteristic of a good business plan class? You may use the word SMART, stand for simple, specific, or attainable, achievable, measurable, realistic and relevant, and also must have time bound. In order to planning for businesses, we must have short-term plan and long-term plan. For short-term planning, we focuses on cutting expenses for our business, while for long-term planning focuses on increasing revenue for business. Is short-term and long-term businesses planning more important? Both. Both are important for our business, short-term planning and also long-term planning. That's why we must very good planning for both short-term and long-term planning for our business. Okay, this is a business plan format. We will have 8 of business plan. First with executive summary, and then followed by target market, next competitors, we will look human resource, in terms of next vendor and supplies, in terms of marketing plan, operational plan, and last one, financial projection. We will going through under this chapter. First of all, let's move to human resource management or HRM. So the management function is a concern with getting, training, motivating, and keeping competent employees. So we as an entrepreneur, we must balancing our supply of employees with the demand for employees. And then we matching the talents and skills of our employees with those required by the organization. And then creating a working environment that will foster high employees' performance, and also meeting the pay and benefit needs of employees. So under human resource management, we must make sure starting from getting our employees, and then we must train our employees, give all the relevant skill that needed by our employees, and we must create a conducive environment to make sure our employees working in a motivating mood, in and also in to make sure align with our mission and visions of our business. And also we must identify and in terms of salary, pay and benefits that needs to employees. So whom do I need to hire? All right, we must hire employees that must have skills. Okay, hard skills are very essential for getting the job done. For example, if you hire a programmer, sorry, you might want to list down all the languages and technologies that are part of your technology stack. And then we must make sure the employees must have the desired quality. So list down all the quality that you want in your new hire. Prioritize the quality that you essential for the job. For example, you need to find workers for positions of marketing manager. So what's the quality for marketing manager? What the skill must have for marketing manager? And also the marketing manager must have culture fit. What's meant by culture fit? Must follow and able to get in the company culture. So if you look at the slide, 36% of that hire happen because of a poor skill match, and also 30% happen because of employer are unclear about performance objective. So therefore, before you start writing your job advertisement, be crystal clear about your own requirement. You want a balance between hard skill and culture fit.